We ain't got enough cats on all. Like I said, crazy. We got down there at the end of this whole traffic. He's going down to
Y'all sure you don't need help? You sure y'all don't need help?
Yeah, it was my grandma's. We were just getting a few things for her. I don't know why you brought clothes for her.
Because your mom asked me to.
Okay.
All right, well, as we say, if y'all need help, just let us know. We're with
thank
Tornado
y'all.
Tackler, so.
Thank y'all. We appreciate it.
Yeah, just trying to get what we can salvaged out.
Just to try to give her a little peace of mind.
Yeah.
She was asleep and Ruth came in and the only place on the bed that's clear is where she was laying.
Oh,
so
shoot.
Usually she complains about a little,
That's crazy, though.
Yeah, a little scratch and wants to go to the doctor today. I guess she was just too mad about the house falling to even worry about it. So.
Yeah. All right, well, sorry
y'all
for
so
you.
much.
You're welcome. Like I said, we're with Tornado Tacklers, and so that's why I was making sure.
I've done a little chasing, and it's the time for it right now.
Yeah.
But,
If y'all don't mind, we want to say something on the camera?
I don't really know what to say right now. I'm sorry. Yeah, as a comic, usually I have a lot to say, but
yeah. Well, if y'all need help, if y'all need help with anything, we're parked right down there, so if y'all need anything, let us know. Good morning. How are you, hon? We're in Van Buren behind the hospital. Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes, I'm just trying to charge my phone.
All right, y'all need help with anything?
No, oh God, I can't. Everyone's messaging me, my phone's about to die, I can't. I'm just gonna go back down here, let my phone charge, everyone can find out if I'm okay here in a little bit. God.
Well, I was just making sure y'all don't need anything.
I think we're okay, we were in the hallway, this is my house.
This one right here?
Yep. I wanted, oh, my phone's charging. I wanted to go back there and take pictures, but it's gonna be there later, honestly, so. That's fucking crazy. I don't know what's gonna happen. I gotta go down there though because my Alexis just tried to call me and my phone's not the signal. Shit. So, I tried to move this out from in front of my car.
Do you need
And no, it's a big old branch. They ain't gonna go nowhere.